Serving medical scheme members, the Board of Healthcare Funders of Southern Africa is the industry body for medical schemes, administrator organizations and managed care organizations throughout the Southern African region, with membership in South Africa, Lesotho, Zimbabwe, Namibia and Botswana.
My name is Humphrey Zukisa Zokufa. I'm the Managing Director of the Board of Healthcare Funders of South Africa. This is an important industry body because we operate in an environment where we have a regulator, the policymakers, which is the government of South Africa, and the healthcare providers, and also medical aid scheme members.
BHF was formed in 1999 and we represent our industry in line with best corporate governance principles.
One of the main advantages of having an industry body like BHF is that it can and it does stand up on industry issues on behalf of the industry.
As we prepare for NHI, there's going to be a need for greater strategic thinking and planning, and an industry body like BHF is going to be the one organization that will be best placed.
The importance of a regional body such as BHF is that it creates a platform where regional issues are discussed affecting the industry, notes are exchanged for the benefit of the industry, and policies are formulated so that we can fit into our decision makers, regulators for the benefit of our members that we cover in the region.
Since we joined BHF, institution that is recognized within the region, which plays the pivotal role within the medical industry. Our doctors, local doctors in Lesotho, have been accessible to their practice numbers, which can be recognized in Lesotho and also in South Africa. It has been able to set the standards for us within the medical aid industry.
The whole issue of the Competition Commission, we're not reinventing the wheel, getting the support from BHF, Practice Numbering Coding System, PSNS.
The Practice Code Numbering System Department. Developed and owned by BHF, this database is the most comprehensive repository of healthcare provider information in the region. This system enables the efficient reimbursement to healthcare providers and facilitates seamless cross-border transactions.
Our core function is the maintenance of the PSNS database.
The practice code numbering system of the BHF has established solid working relationships with statutory councils and licensing authorities.
The Healthcare Forensic Management Unit has been in existence since late 2003, enjoys support and participation from self-administered medical schemes, administrators, management groups and major insurers.
We want to expand our network globally and share information on fraud, over-servicing and unethical behaviour with our international counterparts.
The purpose is that senior HFMU participants could take a look at the current methodologies, find ways to improve and the strategic focus of the unit and moving into the pilot phase of the NHI.
The Benefit and Risk Department continues to strategically support and be involved in all areas of health quality to the benefit of the members of medical schemes.
The BNR department is pushing for change in the prescribed minimum benefits away from the current hospice-centric specialist focus, expensive care, to something that's affordable, non-discriminatory, contains predominantly primary and preventive care.
In recent times, the BHF has championed several core challenges on behalf of consumers, medical schemes and administrator organizations. Through its communication and marketing departments, ensure that the membership of BHF is thoroughly informed through its industry newsletters, communiques, seminars and meetings. The BHF conference has become the premier event of its kind for the region.
Member communication is crucial to any industry body. Raising awareness amongst consumers and medical scheme members is particularly important for BHF.
We believe that we should regard all the expertise and resources of our industry as a national asset and look at it as positive power that should be latched onto and utilized to shape that future in such a way that what government is intending to achieve can be achieved without having to reinvent.